आपको बोलूँ कि ये एक वर्ड आपको 10x स्मार्टर बना देगा, आप मेरे पे विश्वास करेंगे? ऑब्वियसली नॉट। क्यों? क्योंकि आपको लगेगा ये तो सिर्फ एक ही वर्ड है और इन दोनों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन मुझे बहुत अच्छे से आ जाएंगे, मुझे पता है इंग्लिश में डिफरेंस क्या है, पर आई बिलीव यू डू नॉट नो। आइए जानते हैं। दिस इज अ हेट्रोनिम। इसका फर्स्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज लीड, राइम्स विथ फीड, फीड, लीड, feed, lead with lead. It can be used as a verb or as a noun in a sentence. That's it. Meaning is to guide or to be at the front, to guide a particular group or to be at the front, to be the leader or a leading position. You can say that I was leader of the basketball team, or we can say I was leader of the political group. Okay, this is known as leader, and lead means to guide your group as a leader. Example is she took the lead in the race. She took the lead. She was the leader in the race. She was a leader. She took the lead in the race. The pronunciation 2 is led. Rhymes as bed. Bed, led. Bed, led. So led. It is a noun and the meaning is a heavy grey metal or TV. It is used in science. A heavy grey metal. Just remember what is lead. It is a heavy grey metal. That's it. Example is old pipes were often made of lead. Old pipes were often made of lead, not lead, lead. Both have the same spelling but differ in meaning and pronunciation. Remember that. This is known as heteronyms. I live in a house and I am live on social media. What is the difference between these two sentences? And these two words, L-I-V-E, they have the same spelling but differ in pronunciation and meaning. As we know, what are these? These are heteronyms. First pronunciation is L-I-V. It rhymes as give. Live, give. Live, give. So we can say L-I-V is live. Verb. It is a verb and meaning is to have a life. You live a life, obviously. You live in a home, you live outside, you live here and there. So you are living, you are breathing. Or to reside somewhere. As I already told you, you live in a house or maybe you're living in a hotel right now and etc. Example is I live in a small apartment downtown. Live. L-I-V, live. Rhymes as give. The person lives in a small apartment downtown. Live. Pronunciation 2 is L-Y-V. Oh my god. Rhymes as 5. Live, 5. Live, 5. It can be used as an adjective or a verb in this sentence. Interesting. Meaning is alive. Life, alive. Life, alive. This meaning alive, to be alive. Or happening or broadcast in real time. You must have seen live on Facebook, YouTube or any other social media platform. This is known as live. Rhymes as 5. Example is the concert will be broadcast live. Broadcasted live. 5, live, live, 5. Really. Wait here for a minute or your English will stay minute. Right? So let's see what is the difference between these two pronunciation of this heteronym. M-I-N-U-T-E. There are two different pronunciation. First pronunciation is minute. Minute. It is a noun. Meaning is a unit of time equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute contains 60 seconds, as you already know. A unit of time equal to 60 seconds. 1 minute. Minute. Example is the meeting starts in 5 minutes. Minutes. Okay. Pronunciation 2 is minute. Minute. Look at the stress. It can be used as adjective in a sentence and meaning is extremely small or tiny. Extremely small or tiny. Example is the doctor found a minute fracture in the bone. Small. The doctor found a minute fracture in the. How do you pronounce this word? M-O-D-E-R-A-T-E. If you said moderate, it's correct. But if you said moderate, it is also correct. Because these two pronunciations are correct. They are a heteronym. They have same spelling but different in pronunciation and meaning. Let's begin with seeing the difference between their pronunciation and meaning. Pronunciation 1 is moderate. 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 It can be used as adjective or a noun in a sentence. Meaning is average or not extreme or a person with moderate views. Moderate means a person who is average. or he's not extreme, he or she is not extreme, or a person with moderate views. It has moderate. Okay, moderate. Example is she is a political moderate. She is a political moderate. Okay, then pronunciation 2 is moderate. Moderate. It can be used as a verb in a sentence. The meaning is to control or reduce to a reasonable level, or to chair a discussion. To control or to reduce something in a reasonable level, or to chair a discussion is known as moderate. This is moderate and this is moderate. Example is he was asked to moderate the debate. He was asked to chair a discussion. He was asked to moderate the debate. Just learn these and you will become a good speaker. Moped, mopped. But what is the difference between these two words? Because these both are heteronyms, they have the same spelling but differ in meaning and pronunciation as usual. Let's start with M-O-P-E-D, pronunciation 1, which is moped. Moped. What does this mean? At first, this is a noun. The meaning is a low-powered motorized bicycle. It is particularly a bicycle which is low motorized. Low-powered and motorized bicycle is known as a moped. Example: she rode her moped to school. She rode her moped to school. Sorry. Pronunciation 2 is mopped. Mopped. It can be used as a verb in a sentence. Verb in the past tense form. Past tense. Mopped. Meaning is past tense of mop. Was sulky or gloomy. It has two meanings. First is past tense of mop, or was sulky or gloomy. Mopped. Example is he mopped around the house all weekend. He mopped around the house all weekend is known as difference between mopped and mopped. Mouth with your mouth. You mouth with your mouth. What is the difference between these two words, which have the same spelling but differ in meaning and pronunciation? As you already know, this is a heteronym. Let's start. M-O-U-T-H, pronunciation 1 is mouth. Mouth. Ends in T-H as in think. Think. Mouth as T-H in think. It is a noun. Meaning is the opening in a face used for eating and speaking. For eating and speaking. Like I am speaking right now with my mouth. Mouth. Example is she opened her mouth to speak. She opened her mouth to speak. Then we have pronunciation 2, which is mouth. Ends in TH as in this. Mouth. Mouth. It is a verb. Meaning is to say something without making a sound, or to form words silently. To say something without making a sound. Can you hear this? No, this is a mouth. Mouth. Example is he mouthed thank you from across the room. He mouthed. Say something silently. Thank you silently from across the room. This is the difference between mouth and mouth. हमें लगता था कि इंग्लिश बहुत आसान है, पर जैसे ही हमने हेट्रोनिम्स को देखा, ओ माय गॉड भाई, स्पेलिंग तो सेम है पर मीनिंग और प्रोनाउंसिएशन बहुत डिफरेंट है यार। अब कैसे पता करें भाई? हमारा एक और जो हमारा वर्ड है उससे हम लोग पढ़ते और देखते हैं कि उनमें क्या डिफरेंस है। उनकी स्पेलिंग तो सेम है पर डिफरेंस स्पेलिंग है, सॉरी मीनिंग एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन। ओके, ऑब्जेक्ट, OBJECT, two pronunciations. First is object. Object. Okay, stress on the first syllable. It is a noun. Object. Meaning is a physical item or a goal or a purpose. It is an object is a physical item or a goal or a purpose. My object, or we can say objective maybe. A physical item. We already said that is an object kept there. Okay. Example is pick up the object from the floor. Pick up the object from the floor. Pick up the particular object from the floor. Then is pronunciation 2. What is it? It is object. 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 It is a verb because it has stress on second syllable, and meaning is to express disagreement or disapproval. To express disagreement. I don't agree with you. No. Or don't approve it. I don't approve it. It is known as object. Object. Example is She objected to the new rule. She objected to the new rule. She disagreed. You don't have a permit to park here, and I won't permit you to park here. What is difference between these two sentences? Let's get started with this heteronym. P-E-R-M-I-T. See the difference in pronunciation. See the difference in same spelling, but pronunciation and meaning are different. First is P-R-M-I-T. First pronunciation is permit. Permit. First syllable stress, noun. Meaning is an official document granting authorization. You need to have an official document for you to grant the authorization of doing something. Permit. Permit. Example is, you need a permit to park here. You need a permit to park here. You need a permit to park here, or you cannot park here. Pronunciation 2 is permit. 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 It is a verb because it has stress on second syllable, and meaning is to allow something to happen. Permit means to allow. You can allow this. Yes, you can do this. Example is, the law does not permit this activity. This law does not permit this activity. Present her with the present I gave to you. Got confused in this sentence? Let me clear your confusion by telling you about this heteronym P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Two different pronunciation, very confusing, but let me solve your confusion. First pronunciation is present. Present. P-R-E-Z-E-N-T, but this is the only spelling, okay? Present. It can be used as a noun or as an adjective in a sentence. Present. It has three different meanings. First is a gift. I already know. I gave you a present. Present. Or the current time. The present time. What is the present time? It is 12 a.m. Okay. Then is existing now. Somebody is present. Like we say in the classroom, they said Akshita. So I will say present ma'am, like that. Then is pronunciation 2 is present. Present. Stress on second syllable. It is a verb and meaning is to show or introduce something formally. To show or introduce something formally means to present. Present. Example is, he will present his findings to the board. He will present his findings to the board. Let me also tell you this example. She received a lovely present. She received a lovely present on her birthday. P-R-O-D-U-C-E. How is it pronounced as? It has two different pronunciations, and let us come and discuss it. It is an heteronym with the same spelling, but they differ in meaning and pronunciation. Let's start. First is produce. Produce. It is a noun, as you already know because of the stress. Meaning is fresh fruit and vegetables. The fresh fruit that we eat, vegetables that we cook are known as produce. Produce. And second pronunciation is produce. Produce. Produce and produce. Produce. Example is, buy local produce at the farmer's market. And this one is, meaning it is a verb, produce, to make or to create or to manufacture. To make, create or manufacture. Example is, the factory produces 500 cars a day. The factory produces 500 cars a day. My God. We progressed in our path, and we progressed in our path towards the goal. Same sentence but have different meanings. How? Because it's an heteronym. P-R-O-G-R-E-S-S is the word. Let's learn about the pronunciation as usual. And if you don't know what a heteronym is, go and watch your previous videos and you already discussed what heteronym is. Pronunciation 1 is progress. 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 Meaning is forward movement toward a goal or development. To develop or forward movement to the goal is known as progress. Progress. This is the first syllable stress, so it's a noun. Example is, she has made great progress in maths. She has made a great progress in maths. Okay. Then is pronunciation 2 is progress. Progress. Second syllable stress means the verb progress, meaning to move forward or to develop over time. To move forward or to develop over time is known as to progress. The project progressed faster than expected. The project progressed faster than expected. अब पता चला कि इंग्लिश कितना केओटिक है भाई, जब मुझे पता चला हेट्रोनिम्स के बारे में. भाई साहब उसके दो मीनिंग्स है, दो मीनिंग्स और डिफरेंट प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी, स्पेलिंग सेम है, इसमें तो बहुत कंफ्यूजन होगा। चलिए आइए देखते हैं PROJECT के क्या दो मीनिंग्स और दो प्रोनाउंसिएशंस हैं। फर्स्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज प्रोजेक्ट। Project. It is a noun because of the first syllable stress. Meaning is a planned piece of work with a specific goal. It's a planned piece of work. We have worked on, and we have a goal for it. Example is the school project is due on Friday. The school project is due on Friday. It has a specific goal. Then is project. It is a verb because of the second syllable stress. Meaning is to throw forward or to display on a surface or to estimate. It has three meanings. First meaning is to throw forward, project, or to display on a surface. To display on a surface means to show on a surface, project, and then to estimate. Estimate the total value means to project. Example, the company projects 20% growth next year. The company projects 20% growth next year. ये word PROTEST ये दिख तो रहा होगा सेम, आपको लगेगा ये भी हेट्रोनिम है जिसके क्या बोलते स्पेलिंग सेम होगा, मीनिंग डिफर करेगी, प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफर करेगी, और वो सही भी है एक तरीके से। पर ये ऑलमोस्ट सेम मीनिंग है, इन दोनों के ऑलमोस्ट सेम मीनिंग है, और मैं आपको भी बताने वाली हूँ इसके बारे में इन डिस्कसिंग इट। ठीक है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन वन इसका जो है वो है प्रोटेस्ट। प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, ठीक है ना, थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है, आपको लगेगा। प्रोटेस्ट इट इज अ नाउन, इसमें पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच यूज हो रहा है, ये वर्ब की तरह यूज हो रहा है, ये नाउन की तरह यूज हो रहा है, इसमें ऑलरेडी नो। प्रोटेस्ट मीनिंग इज अ पब्लिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन अपोजिंग समथिंग। दिस इज अ पब्लिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन, बहुत बड़ी भीड़ आ गई, द पब्लिक डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन अपोजिंग समथिंग, अपोजिंग। ओके, एग्जांपल इज thousands joined the protest in the city center. They joined the protest in the city center. And what is the difference between these both sentences? This one is protest. Second syllable stress. It's a verb, but it has been used as a verb in a sentence. Meaning is to express strong disapproval publicly. दोनों का meaning almost same ही है. To express strong disapproval publicly or a public demonstration opposing something. Example is they protested against the new law. Okay, this is protest, this is protest. If you know what a heteronym is, it is really good, and if you don't know what a heteronym is, let me clarify in a brief sentence that heteronym has the same spelling but different meaning and pronunciation. But this word READ, it has two pronunciations, they have different pronunciation but the meaning is same. So we can say that this is a heteronym and not also a heteronym. First pronunciation is read, rhymes with seed. Seed, read, seed, read. It is a verb in present tense. It is a verb in present tense. We say he is reading a book. He is reading a book, or he's reading a book. Okay. Then meaning is to look at and understand written words. To look and understand. We are reading something. Like she was going there. This is known as reading. Example is I read the newspaper every morning. I read the newspaper every morning. Pronunciation 2 is read. This also has the same meaning, but it rhymes with bed. Read, bed, read. It is verb but in past tense. This is verb in present tense and this is verb in past tense. Meaning is past tense of read. This is the past tense of read means read. R-E-D, read. Rhymes as bed. Example is she read the whole book in one day. In past tense, she read the whole book in one day. record. अलग अलग वर्ड्स लग रहे हैं, अरे बिल्कुल भी नहीं है। चलिए आइए जानते हैं कि इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है। भाई स्पेलिंग सेम है, प्रोनाउंसिएशन अलग है और मीनिंग अलग है। एक बिकॉज इट्स अ हेटेरोनिम। प्रोनाउंसिएशन वन इज record. सेम वर्ड्स लग रहे हैं, नहीं बिल्कुल भी नहीं, ये पूरे के पूरे डिफरेंट है। ये एक्चुअली में एक हेटेरोनिम है जिनके सेम स्पेलिंग है बट द डिफरेंट मीनिंग एंड प्रोनाउंसिएशन एज वी ऑलरेडी नो। लेट्स बिगिन विद नोइंग व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस। तो हमारा पहला प्रोनाउंसिएशन वो है record. REK is in the stress, it is a noun. Meaning is a document or a disk. A document or a disk is known as record. Or we can say a best achievement. a record. Like in this example, she broke the world record for the 100 meter sprint. She broke the world record. Guinness Book of World Record. You must have seen that. Then is pronunciation 2, which is record. Record. It is a verb because of stress in second syllable, and meaning is to capture sound, video or data. To capture sound, video or data, just like I am recording, self-recording myself. Example is please record the meeting for later reviews.
I refuse to become the refuse collector. ज्यादा डिफरेंस समझ में आ नहीं रहा होगा क्योंकि ये दोनों वर्ड्स सिमिलर प्रोनाउंस होते हैं, बस इनके सिलेबल्स में थोड़ा प्रेशर स्ट्रेस रहता है और इनकी स्पेलिंग सेम होती है. ये होते हैं हेट्रोनिम्स जो आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं. एक हेट्रोनिम जो कि है रिफ्यूज या रिफ्यूज, REFUSE. The first pronunciation is refuse. Refuse. Okay. Waste material, rubbish. This is refuse. Khatam. Kachada. Okay. Waste material. Example. The refuse collector is on Tuesdays. The refuse collection is on Tuesdays. Easy. आगे बढ़ते हैं. The second pronunciation, refuse. 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 Meaning to decline to do or accept something. To decline to do something or to not accept something. Okay. Example. She refused to answer the question. She refused to answer the question.